Okay, so we're going to go over a couple more problems on the notes that look a little different. This one, we draw our little man right there at the angle that we're given. That makes this the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse because it's directly across from the 90-degree angle. This is the adjacent. So we look at the information we're given. We're given hypotenuse and opposite. And then we look down here. The only trig function with opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we write sine of 33 equals, let's look, opposite over hypotenuse, 15 over x. The problem is the x is on the bottom. The other ones I showed you, the x was on the top, so it was really easy to solve for. When the x is on the bottom, there's a couple ways to do it. What you could do is turn it into a proportion. So put this over 1 and cross multiply. So we have 15 times 1 equals x times sine of 33. We know 15 times 1 is just 15, so we don't even need the 1. To get the x by itself, it's multiplied by sine of 33. We have to divide it by sine of 33. Then this cancels and you get x equals 15 divided by sine of 33. Now, let's see if we can figure out what that is on our calculator. So 15 divided by sine of 33 equals 27.5. So x equals 27.5. Let's see what it is over on this calculator. 15 divided by 33 sine equals 27.5. Okay, so we solved that one. Let's look at this one. Remember where to put your person. He does not go with the 90-degree angle. He does not go with the blank angle. He goes right here. He's looking opposite at his opposite side. The hypotenuse is always across from the 90-degree angle. And the adjacent side is right next to him on the remaining side. In this problem, we are given the 36, which is the adjacent side, and we're given the x, which is the hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse, when we look down here, the only trig function that has adjacent and hypotenuse in it is cosine. So we have cosine, you always take the cosine of an angle, 43 equals adjacent, which is 36, over hypotenuse, which is x. Same thing, whenever the x is on the bottom, you have to make a proportion. So you just stick a line over there and put a 1 underneath. We have this cosine 43 times x equals 1 times 36, which is just 36. Right? Now, to get the x by itself, we have to divide both sides by cosine 43. And we get x equals 36 divided by cosine of 43. Let's see what that is. 36 divided by cosine 43, equals 49.2. So 49.2, or x equals 49.2. Right? Let's try it over here. We've got 36 divided by 43 cosine equals 49.2. Same as over here.